Jom makan Mexican vegan rice. Sedap. Cuba di rumah. Let's mix our ingredients for the Mexican vegan rice. Okay, so firstly, we have the rice here that has been washed, and let's mix in the tomato puree, the capsicum, the onions, garlic, and all the spices here. Okay, so just add in everything and give it a good mix. Jangan lupa the olive oil. Okay, as usual, kita gaul. They can add in the rice. So this is a very healthy dish. Then we can add in the corn and also the black bean. Okay, kacau. Okay, then bring in the rice cooker pot. Pour everything in. Add in the water. Stir everything up. Then we put it into the rice cooker. Cover it. Select the enhanced taste function and press start. Right, the rice is ready. Wow, just look at the steam. Let's plate it out. Super healthy rice with lots of ingredients in it. Okay, so just garnish with some coriander leaves and we are done. It's ready to be served.